Okay, everybody, welcome back. This is day 2 of the camper build. We're going to work on removing the exhaust vent fans and working on the roof a little bit today. I know last time we left off, I was cleaning the roof. Still have to get everything removed and get the roof sealed up. I went ahead and moved the camper into the shop, and we're working on it here. Go ahead and take this trim ring down off of this fan and then get up on the roof. I was wrong. This is not a vent fan. This is just a vent hood. And the plastic has deteriorated from it. I know a couple of weeks ago when I first got the camper, I had to get up there with some duct tape and tape up the top of it because it was just open to all the weather and everything. Or should I say the dust. Take off the little crank. I'm not sure this crank even needs to come off. No, not for what I'm doing. All right, they got this old die-core lap sealer up here. Doesn't seem to be very strong. Got some 1/4-inch tech screws. I'll go ahead and get this cleaned. Looks like this will come off pretty easy. All right. I don't actually have my tripod. I forgot it at home, so that's making this a little more difficult. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all this off and then come back. Okay, I got all these screw heads exposed, so I can go ahead and remove this now. I'm gonna go ahead and take all these screws out and I'll be right back. Okay, I decided there were way too many screws to take out by hand, so I went and grabbed the power tool. Okay, I got all the screws out. Let's see if this thing will come up now. All right. All right. That came up pretty easy. Not a lot of mess to clean up. But I'll get it all cleaned up. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, here's the one I took out yesterday, and this is the one I'm going to take out now. This die core is so dried out it just pops right off. The butyl tape is still soft. Okay, we got the two roof vents out. Got it pretty well cleaned up around the opening. Still need to go back and wipe it down with some mineral spirits to get all the residue off, but making progress. I think next I'm going to tackle removing this antenna. See how this goes. All right, let's see if this one, yep, pops off just like the ones on the vents. Makes this job easy. Probably something I have to take loose from the inside. Let me go check. Phillips screws. One right here. Probably should have figured out how to unscrew that instead of just breaking it. There's the set screw, but I can't figure it out. I think I need a hammer. I got a crowbar. Still can't get it. There we go. Now I need wire cutters. All right, we're gonna check out this old swamp cooler. I haven't seen one of these before. A little challenging to open. Yeah, pretty simple design. Looks like it's got a little motor that rotates a drum that sits in water. A fan. Crazy. All right, let's see how this thing's up here. Take a couple of screws. Use some wire cutters again. Just stuck with some butyl tape. Okay, everybody, got a little carried away today doing work on the camper. Got a few things done. Forgot to record anything. Sorry about that. Won't happen again. Let's see what I did. It wasn't too much. Okay. Been doing a little cleanup in here. Almost got all the cabinet doors taken down and out. I removed the sofa today. Started taking down these lights so I could see what lights I could replace them with. These are 120 volt light fixtures. I'm going to put 12 volt light fixtures back, so I'm going to have to figure out where the wires are running so I can change them from 120 to 12 volt. Peeled some of this wallpaper off here. It was really loose. We're going to go ahead and re-wallpaper that with a new design. Got the bathroom. You know, we got the vent fan out the other day, but got all the mini blinds and balances taken down. Started taking down the light fixture here. Once again, that's another 120 volt light fixture along with this fluorescent fixture here. We're going to be replacing everything with 12 volt. Ordered the 12 volt air conditioning unit last night. That should be coming, I would guess, at least a week. Tomorrow I plan on carefully removing this escape hatch because I'm going to need to reuse it. There is nothing I can get currently to replace it. I'm sure if I dig hard enough I can find one, but the price just wouldn't be worth it. I just need to make sure this one's not leaking, so I'm going to remove it. When I reseal the roof, I'm going to put it back along with the air conditioner and the vent fans. You know, we took out the TV antenna the other day. I have a hole there I have to do something with, both on the roof and inside here. But that's about all we got for this week. I want to thank everyone for watching the video last week and the video this week. One more thing I wanted to tell you, the refrigerator does work. It actually works very well. It's ice cold. And so now I'm having second thoughts whether I'm going to replace that. You know, I'd like to put the 12 volt, but not too sure if it's worth the spin, because I can run this one on propane also. I have to think about that a little more. But thank you once again, everyone, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Add a comment or two down in the comment section. All these things you do help the YouTube algorithm. It'll help me build the channel, and it'll help me reach more people. Thank you for all your support, and have a great Memorial Day weekend.